Are you still doing matching activity sheets like this? Then, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create them the easy way. So be sure to watch until the very end of this video. So I will be using ChatGPT for these activity sheets. You can also use your free account here. Click on create an image and add your prompt. If you want the prompt I use here, comment on prompt. By the way, I just want to emphasize that even if you use the same prompt I use here, ChatGPT can create different images from the same prompt because each result is made in a new and random way. The image may also change because of the different settings, image tools, or details from past chat. But the main point is that it will generate the same type of activity sheet, but the design will slightly different, okay? So click on this arrow button and wait. And there you go. So if you want another one, just type in here, same design as above, but make it animals instead of fruits. For this example, let's just make 3. So let's do another prompt. Just make sure to replace these parts here. Then don't forget to download your images. Then go back to Canva and drag and drop the images you downloaded. So if you ask me if you can sell these AI generated images from ChatGPT or other AI tools, my answer is no. I do not recommend selling AI generated images as is. Even though AI tools allow commercial use, a fully AI generated image may have a little or no copyright protection because copyright usually requires human creative work, and other users may receive similar images. So I suggest that you can sell them if you add your own elements, add your text, etc. Just use the AI generated images as your base and do not sell them as is. And there you go. If any of you want the template, comment down template link and I'll share it below. So be sure to follow my page for more. See you in my next video. Bye!